Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Office Jong Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities haringkat ka State Resource Center on Disabilities Affairs kila yo ban Rakhe ya ka Sngi jong ki Briew ki badan Jingduna ha ki Dkhot met ha ka perthai baro ha ka bara sakhi bah ka jilla jong iru la Rakhe ya ka Sngi ha Soso Tham Auditorium ka phang pedeng ha ka jing Rakhe ka long ban penkela na ka benta ka jing sngo per para Briew ka rukom penkela banya sno oktilang ha ka jinglong kawai uba kermenshla ubade menteri hakatanat social welfare ulalong kum kongsan hagani ke jing Rakhe baraba ai jing kren hagani ke Sngi uba kermenshla ulaong ba ka jing Rakhe ya hagani ke Sngi manlo usnem kalong manang pen klan shushu ya ka jing ai jing hikai khnang bakan long ke jing mentoy ya ki to ki badan hapdeng ke Jingduna hagir khot met jongki hagani ka Sngi lapan longru ya ka jing ai sngoba shakito ki Briew ki bala ai ka jing shakri shaki Briew ki badan Jingduna hagir khot met da ki khat artli ki wheelchairs but artli ki unique disability ID da ukongsan.
There is reason behind the proper functioning and successful operation.
Everything about here is 100% human voice. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Wagging. Human bebop. Let's go. You're like a dream come true. But if by chance you're here alone, can I have a moment before I go?
I request
each year is to increase the awareness and understanding of disability issues and the benefits to be derived from the integration of people with a disability in every aspect of life. Disabilities shines light on the role of innovation in fueling an accessible and equitable world. I urge every one of us, let us work together in finding innovative solutions to build an accessible and equitable world for all. Innovation and technology can be powerful tools for inclusion. They can enhance access to information, education, and lifelong learning, and they can open new avenues for persons with disabilities to participate in the workforce and society at large on an equal basis. To make our society accessible and inclusive for persons with disabilities, the state government has taken action on various provision of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, and one of the most important action is the implementation of Accessible India campaign, in which 21 identified government buildings under AIC1 and 85 government websites have been made accessible. There are many schemes and programs offered by the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, which are directly aimed for the upliftment, rehabilitation, and empowerment of persons with disabilities, so as to encourage them to lead a life of independence, hope, and fulfillment. In Meghalaya, several schemes are being implemented for persons with disabilities through the Social Welfare Department and other allied departments. There are the scholarship schemes, uniform grants, unemployment allowance, provision of aids and appliances, conveyance allowance, the Chief Minister Assistance Pensions Scheme to the person with disabilities, the meritorious scholarship, and several others. Recently, the state government has enhanced the Chief Minister Pension schemes from 500 to 750 per month with effect from October 2022. And so far, 14,287 persons with disabilities have been benefiting. The state government has also enhanced the unemployment allowance from 1,000 to 1,500 and has also provided grant in aid to special educators working in special schools. We have just witnessed the unveiling of the Meghalaya program of rehabilitation of persons with disabilities schemes and YouTube channel. Release of CRC Shillong website have also brought out the brochures of the Meghalaya Sign Bank app, which is a variety of the Indian Sign Language, which was launched during the observation of India International Day of PWDs on the 3rd of December 2018. To move towards an inclusive society, sign language should be made available to bridge the communication gap, and I am sure the Meghalaya Sign Bank app will serve as the language to reach out to the widest section of the society. With the sheer dedication and tireless effort of the officers of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities and the State Resource Center on Disability Affairs, Meghalaya has attained another feat of reaching number 1 in the country with regards to the implementation of the UDID project. I therefore invite my friends with disabilities to visit our district civil hospital, district social welfare officers, district resource center on disability affairs, and district UDID officers. Meet our staff and get individual unique disability ID so that this opportunity provides to persons with disabilities can be availed. We must strive towards this end to create a society which gives equal opportunity to all, where persons with disabilities can utilize the facilities available in the community and live a life of dignity, and thereby empower persons with disabilities to the maximum possible extent.
And we are happy to announce that as per the survey or the baseline survey that we have been doing from the office of MSRLS, so we have found out of 5 lakh households in the rural communities, the target groups that the mission is targeting is around 4 lakhs, 28,000 odd numbers of households that needs to be brought and prioritized to be brought into the SHG platform. So we are happy to say that we have been covering almost all the villages, all the households within the rural community where we are bringing these women into the self-help group, and we could see that the self-help group have really support these women, giving them a space where they can voice their needs, where they can come together, share what are the difficulties and challenges that they face. And most importantly, I would like to say, in terms of vulnerable category like PWDs, elderlies, and single mothers that we have come across during the intervention, the SAGs have given them the encouragement to speak out and share what they want, and also speak out what they want to do in their life.
Hagat jingya dan tijonga, hagat imjonga, omdi balakha yanga banga long kumni. Omdi balakha yanga daga jingkom i le hakapor bang kha yanga ngayo iya tikman. Te hadin bala ngadon gumba kasau lani kasansnem te ngadu no ek ngapori i. Sya ki cloud di banga le jamasi. Te hadin nang tu gumba si snem asnem ngasong hayeng. Nangta ngalisim dawai hani apo bansara nangta i Auditorium la suban sumarenga i suong yang akumni dapi kwa bansah ni po betani society ngan penyakren te hangtu ngala kwa bansah hangtu te ilaya keren te hadin nangtu ngala don po betani kumba asnem nga training ya kan ka kampan jingtan. Hadin nato ngala penenkam jagatu kumba si polene karasnem. Te kumta gaya te reporter te how nusnem hajar kat kendai bat ngala yo training bang sakawai kabaya dei bat ka terkomsna ya kini kisibo lene terkomsna di semsiar kumno bangin disiar nangta bansnai kisbo kumno bangin sna bangin jo bantum sbo bantum jor daki sbo ibangis nahi dibalong organik bagi ongmo te yagni ka program bala penjai daga betul society ka kersan daga ni ka MSSDS kila penmi yagni lengba jong ka betul society ngasong kadon jing mentoy sisa sibun abangala pendep yang training but andala dep yang training alasna yang kita SMCR nang tahadin maladep sna te kadon betul lockdown nang tu bah tu kuat ni sistem nang su loskai kita bayang ni su bukai ka kumtu te autos na marajar way ru kadang don hi tu ka lockdown rai ngalayo pat mandri ya gini kisiar liar tiba kapeleng te gini kisiar tiba kapeleng hari ya ki sistem te sistem hari ya ki kapeleng haga sisni de sitre tengi dia ki haga dor kemalai spasan po laispan po haga sitre peleng gini ki baya yo ha te omdi yo ngai tu khlew pi ndai kalong kum nuksa ya kibai ban ngai tu nang bakin sim ya kan ka lat mar omdi bakin du jingkermen habaki don ha ke jingduna ha ki matlan ha nu ki jingduna namang ila ban le ya kinu ki kam lengba ka jingyo training jongi te ngasung tu lengba ka jingyo training jongi ni la ban le ya ni ek kumban ai jingbam sial lane ban ai jingbam sniang rani bantung jingtung mila lengba kajing yo training jongi te kerpat yang tu gibadon jingduna amdei bakin sengodo buar lani du mensem kila banle yak ni baro andrei tu da wat ya kita gilat ki kumnu bakin nang ban le kita ki baro ki gilat bakin yo di gilat ban di gijaka ba pinyo training kumna po betani society nane kumangaru we wala le yang kam ngala ban ajing mo depi kumno ba pinle Dengan semua aktif hero bah sibun Briew ke badan Jingduna Kynmaw ya tekikam bijam lani kibom yo kulit putih te di susong haying lani di bahaying asem lu kidon mimat kibom ailat yati bakin train mailat yati bakin train kita iken yati baki don Jingduna Kynmaw balai ye andre ngagerpat ya bahaying asem jong ke badon Jingduna ambe bakin khanglat yati ide ban penselur yati bakin le yakanu kam kabaki sengolah ban le namar habarohi ni don la kasap kaba ublei ulai te ndai la dengim la ban le da kawe ke kam la ban le da kawe ke kam te kumta ailat yaki batin training kita ailat yaki batin setting tiuru wating yaki hikai yaki kuno ban penme kumnya ka sini penme kumnya ka ting hatai itu kila ban le ya kita andai kum di kam than jing than ye ro kila ban le namar ke sebo kum ki balanang start kumbaang i sar ferinan mene ban sukibitan tang ya kam tokar lese kam plelut ya barok fajmo te lese kan sapli hi bayar barok fairu rei kan sapli suki kat ba phi dang songkai haying da phila de pule te wat lagi lenti kumno ba phin nang bansna tagi mula lene sunsar ane da ka kitu baran jaka kila ban ri jingri ila ban le sibun ki kam te kerparu nagaling ka sarkar kan campaign banyak namta jangi di badan Jingduna kantam ni badan Jingduna ni don ha kantam ki bon hi di badan na ki yeng ki sem ki baduk